Welcome back, guys. And if in your phone, suppose call forwarding is activated, what does call forwarding mean? Everybody knows that his or her call has been forwarded to another number. So I am going to tell you in this video about how can you know that your call is being forwarded and how can you cancel it. So this is valid on all mobile phones, but I will show on you Samsung mobile. So welcome back, guys. Not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you, if you are new to the channel, kindly consider to subscribe this channel. So just coming to the topic, go to the phone and dial star hash 62 hash. As soon as you dial, this will return MMI code started, and then call forwarding when not reachable, it is active. This can be seen from here also, and if you want to see from there, so from actual place we need to go to the setting, but not to phone setting, call settings. Tap on phone and then tap on three dots, then go to the settings and then go to the supplementary services, then go to the call forwarding, go to the voice calls. It will take some time. Here you can see the same thing which you have achieved through dialing a code. So this is how you can see that your call is being forwarded or not, and if it is being forwarded to, it is which number it has been forwarded. So if anyone has unintentionally or intentionally forwarded your calls to another number and trying to hear the conversations or trying to talk to those callers which are calling to you, this can be cancelled. How can it cancel? It can be cancelled on a code. Please write down hash 62 hash and dial. Then again MMI code started will come and then erase successfully. This has been erased, or it can be done manually by pressing three dots, go to the settings, go to the supplementary services, then go to the call forwarding, voice calls. Then from here you can select and you can delete or update this number. So this is the method by which you can see that in your number call forwarding is active or not, and if it is active, why it is active, you know better, and you are now in position to decide whether it is needed by you or not. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please forward to your family and friends on social media platform. Thank you very much, guys.